Hello, in this video I will explain psychological security, which is a phenomenon that implies the existence of a group. It is defined as a belief shared by people in the team that they can trust their teammates, that no one will embarrass them or reject them or punish them or harm another person on the team for sharing the opinions. Implies that you will respect other people's competence, that is, you recognize, and it shows that you recognize that they have something valuable to contribute to the team, and that's why they are on the team, that you're going to take care of them as people, and that you trust the good intentions of the other people on the team. When these three conditions are present, there is psychological safety, and then the people in the group are more willing to ask for help, to share information, to admit mistakes, to seek feedback. As a consequence of all this, learning will increase, and this will help to improve the performance of the team.